Aerobatic Team. They are known as the Jupiters, and they're coming up soon. They return after previously featuring in the 2022 edition of the Airshow and will thrill audiences with their 6-way formations and precision flying as well. The Indonesian Air Force's Jupiter Aerobatic Team is known as the Jupiters, and over to commentator Jupiter 7 Major Wira Hassan Gosai Jeanette.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we kick off our show, 6 aircraft are making their approach from the right side. Get ready to be amazed by the Jupiters performing the spectacular Jupiter roll in arrowhead formation. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it, the first maneuver with Jupiter roll! Leading the as Jupiter 1, Lieutenant Colonel Aiyodo with full sign monster, the commanding officer of the 102 Training Squadron, approaching from the left side of the podium, the Jupiter space formation, preparing for the next all-dispersing maneuver. With unwavering precision, the aircraft assembled into the Delta formation, a powerful emblem of the Indonesian Air Force, standing as guardian of the sky, ever vigilant, ever ready. The next maneuver, the Jupiters will execute a beautiful loop together in a Delta formation. They like a seamless symphony in motion, the Jupiters leading each formation as a breathtaking display of discipline, unity, and aerial mastery. We call this maneuver the Delta Loop as a tribute to all of you today. Ladies and gentlemen, coming from the left side, preparing, there you have it, the Jupiters. Smoke on! With Delta Loop! Let's give a ton of applause to the Jupiters, Indonesian Air Force Aerobatic Team. The Jupiters are Indonesia's premier display team, soaring through the skies with 680 1B1B, standing in the striking red and white strip, symbolizing the colors of the Indonesian national flag. The Jupiters have been officially designated as Indonesia's ambassador of the skies, earning their reputation as an iconic aerobatic team. The team's name, Jupiter, originates from the call sign used by Indonesian Air Force flying instructor. Up next, the Jupiters flying in arrowhead formation. They will execute a precise loop. Power on, pulling up hard into the stunning arrowhead loop. Over the top in perfect unity and back down with absolute perfection. Ladies and gentlemen, coming from right side, here they are. Please welcome the Jupiters preparing for exercise arrowhead loop. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, coming from the right side, the Jupiters with arrowhead. Please make some noise to the Jupiters! The Jupiters are equipped with a white smoke generator, making the sky over Singapore with their breathtaking maneuver. The H-1B, widely known as the Broadwell aircraft, presents a challenge in formation flying, especially in aerobatic. The Jupiters have proven that communication, reverse swing, and unwavering belief, any challenge can be conquered. On our best, prepare your cameras for this breathtaking and unforgettable moment. A breathtaking spectacle you don't want to miss. Approaching from the left side, forming diamond formation, the Jupiters make a swift turn toward us. Their formation precise, their presence commanding. Ladies Ladies and gentlemen, our guests, they will execute you. Then, the synchro, Jupiter 5 and 6 will paint the sky with a heart-shaped trail. Following closely behind, the main body will mark a striking path through it like an arrow, reversing the heart, a true symbol to all of you today. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the synchro with heart blue. Approaching right before your eyes, Singapore, get ready, here come the Jupiters with heart blue. When the heart embrace, this symbol of love from the Jupiters. From the left side, Jupiter 5 with synchro, Lieutenant Colonel Andoro with wall-side Greco. And from the right side, Jupiter 6 synchro, Major Stefano with small-side Harrier. We are preparing for a blending hand pass right in front of us at an incredibly close distance. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for the head-on pass! Now the synchro is executing a perfectly coordinated horizontal circle, maintaining the same altitude and speed with absolute precision. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready, here comes another thrilling ride! Come on everyone, feel your heart race as the synchro takes center stage, executing the breathtaking Jupiter wheel! Ladies and gentlemen, up next, approaching from the left side for aircraft from the main body. Let's welcome the Jupiters with the mesmerizing Snake Blue. 1 up, 2 up, 3 and 4, pulling up. Go, 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 the Jupiters. Ladies and gentlemen, raise your hand and let the sky hear your applause. Here comes the Jupiters. It's now brilliant. Now let's shift our focus to the right side where Jupiter 5 and 6, the next synchro, are about to execute the intense and truly two aircraft maneuver. Jupiter 5 will fly infrared, while Jupiter 6 maintains perfect precision directly beneath it. A breathtaking display of skill and coordination. Oh yes, coming from the right side, here they come. Let's welcome the synchro with the stunning, spectacular mirror. Human tongues about through the synchro. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready and keep your eyes on the sky. The Jupiters is setting up in tight formation, preparing to execute the roll slide maneuver. From the right side, here come the Jupiters with roll slide. Here come the clouds to the Jupiters, Indonesian Air Force, Aerobatic Team. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to experience the thrilling sensation of the nose pull-up. The aircraft reached the zero speed and now enter the critical moment of its ability. 1 roll, 2 roll, still trying to regain control. And he did it! Good job, 6! I know you could do it! Ladies and gentlemen, gentlemen, please make some noise for Gymnastics! Please make some noise for Gymnastics! Up next, approaching from the left side, the Jupiter is soaring in stunning 5-star formation. This formation embodies the ideology of Indonesia, Pancasila. With full confidence and trust in one another, the Jupiters ascend high into the sky, ready to play the skies of Singapore. Ladies and gentlemen, our guests, get ready! And ladies, the Jupiters with four-car please make some noise for the Jupiters! Well, what a beautiful maneuver from the Jupiters! In this moment, coming from the right side, the main body is about to demonstrate the breathtaking effect of reality. So, Jupiter, major butuh metaton with full-size Puma, will perform an elegant spinning dance, gracefully circling around the 5-air drive ahead. Yes, this is more than an aerial performance. It is a tribute to our personalism and the enduring spirit of the Indonesian Air Force. The Jupiters proudly representing Indonesia on the global stage. With slim throttle and razor focus, Jupiter move in perfect harmony. As rotational energy unfold into a graceful dance of motion. Let's all welcome the Jupiters with a thrilling slow maneuver. Let's give a roaring round of applause to the Jupiters. The right wing, Jupiter 2, Major Agit with full-sign Uyghur. And the left wing, Jupiter 3, Major Sanmade with full-sign Medved. Formed in 1997, the Jupiters made their debut on October 5th of that year, during the Indonesian National Armed Forces anniversary, soaring across the skies with 4 British Aerospace Hawk Mark 53. After several years of inactivity, the Jupiters made their return in 2008 with 4 KP-1B only. By 2011, they expanded their fleet to 6 aircraft. Today, the Jupiters deliver stunning performance with precision and safety, a true testament to the professionalism of Indonesian Air Force pilots. Get ready and focus your attention on the sky. The Jupiters is now lining up and preparing to perform the leader benefit maneuver. In the moment, the leader will set the flight path and tempo. Other guests coming from the left side, let's all welcome the Jupiters with the leader benefit. Ladies and gentlemen, raise your hand and let us have your applause. Here come the Jupiters. The Jupiters make a smooth turn toward us, aligning perfectly for the grand finale. Our guests prepare for a spectacle like no other. As the grand finale, the Jupiters will execute the breathtaking powerful and cascade. Get ready, here it comes, so spool it up. And now, brace yourself. Cascade! Cascade! Now! Ladies and gentlemen, remarkable skill and performance. And that concludes the incredible showcase from the tutors. It has been an absolute honor for me to guide you through this outstanding performance today. Thank you for your enthusiasm, your applause, and your unwavering support. Thank you so much, and see you on the next performance.